From WRAL News and the Capital Broadcasting Podcast Network, this is your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Wednesday, December 23rd. I'm Cullen Browder. A key piece of vaccine production for the Novavax Candidate is happening right here in the Triangle. Over the summer, we told you about the president's visit to Fujifilm Biosynth Biotechnologies. Well, I had the chance to speak with CEO Marthin Meeson about the progress made since that visit.
Tell me exactly what your company is doing, particularly here in the Triangle, to help support and manufacture the vaccine.
Yeah, so we make the bulk drug substance. Just what that means is it's developed by the Novavax, and we do everything up to the point where we send it off to be put in the vial and shipped out to the clinics for administration. So all that piece in the middle is carried out by our organization. We partnered and started our work back in July with Novavax. And what we were able to do is just really bring the skills and the expertise of the people here on site to bear. And we stood up and started the manufacture of that product in record time. That's really the challenge I think everyone wants when they've got the amount of skills and learnings that we have here. We really were expertly placed to be able to do this and get ourselves up and manufacturing this critical vaccine.
With everything that your company does, once this happened, did you transition everything in the company toward this, or are you still working on other projects?
We continue to work on other projects. We have over 60 different projects just at this site alone, about 150 different medicines and therapeutics and vaccines that we're working on across the network. So we did have to work with partners in order to balance the schedule so that we could start this critical activity quickly. And we were able to do that through the work that we're doing and making sure that we had strong partnerships with everyone involved. But we continue to manufacture medicines which are going out there today for clinical trials and to be administered to patients as well.
Talk about leading a company like this, being involved in something as important as the development of a vaccine in the midst of this pandemic.
We're always involved in making medicines which are really impactful to people's lives. So it's something that we're very used to. It allowed us to be ready to respond, I think, within the pandemic. Because we are so used to being able to change our direction, to move quickly, and we were able therefore to respond and be able to get this development and manufacture going extremely quickly. But that's what we do all the time with our partners.
Tell me about your company's growth in the Triangle and what you see as the future here.
We're in a great community here in the Triangle in North Carolina. We've increased our staff on site by over 100 staff members this calendar year. Many of those brought on to respond to the increasing amount of manufacture that we've had to do around the vaccine and other products as well. We already had and were working through some expansions here at the site. We were expanding around about 25% increase in our capacity. We invested over $50 million. And we were continue to bring new staff members and colleagues on board to work with us on that. And we still have a little plug here, Cullen, if you don't mind. We still have some open positions and some opportunities to work with us. As I said, 100 people joined us, all of them just enjoying that experience to come on and work alongside the people who were working here already. So it really is just a thriving environment at the moment for biotech. And obviously one where at our organization people are being able to work not just on life-impacting medicines, but also on a vaccine which will roll out across the nation as well.
Our next news brief will drop on Monday, December 28th. I'm Cullen Browder. Thanks for listening and happy holidays.